How to see hotspot settings in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Mobile Service. Here, make sure that the toggle for mobile data is turned on. Then, tap on Personal Hotspot to configure the settings. On this screen, you can turn on the Allow Others to Join option. You can also view and edit your Wi-Fi password for your hotspot. Below that, you can find the Maximize Compatibility option. Tap on it to turn the toggle switch. Turning this on may improve connectivity for some devices, although internet performance may be reduced. Following these steps, you can easily see hotspot settings on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.